I don't remember if I closed the sunroof on my truck. I gotta check. Got a storm happening. I guess I need my boots, don't I? Thunderstorm. It's about 2 in the morning, but I can't sleep anyway, so I gotta go check my truck and see that sunroof is closed, because otherwise it'll be a heck of a mess inside the truck. Good time to check if this spotlight works too. Nope, not working. Pond's filling up. Okay, let's get over. Oh yeah, we got water. See if my drainage system's working. Okay. Oh yeah. It's closed. Otherwise it'd be flooded by now. Okay, good, good. Head back in. I'll be transferring a bunch of water around in the morning, I think. Oh yeah. Okay. Can't have too much water. Not too bad. Okay, let's try and get some sleep. Well, she's still raining. It's supposed to rain for 3 days straight. 3 or 4. It's a good thing I got this trenched out good. It's flowing. Flowing down nice. In there. Out this side. Down the back of the cabin. This is all flooding. And then we got her trenched all the way down here. Just flowing down here. Past the new apple tree. And my dugout's down below here. This was, you remember, this is a big frickin' dugout, not big, but it goes down about 7 feet wide. Did it with the backhoe. And I dammed it off, thought it would just fill up and have a nice little pond there. But it just running right over. It's flowing. This creek has never been flowing since I've been here. So she's filling up now. Let's take a walk on the backside there and see how it looks in the slough. It's probably running all the way from the slough. Everything's sure greening up nice anyway. I can see how these paths will grow in on me if I don't stay on them. It doesn't take long, it starts growing. Yeah, this is definitely the most water I've ever seen on the property. Although I do like it, because you can never have too much water as long as the cabin doesn't flood, but it's high enough up that it would have to be like the end of the world for it to flood. No water coming from this side yet. This reminds me of the BC rainforest. Animals don't seem to mind. The birds are chirping and flying around, having a good time. They love it. Yeah, the slough's filling up too. That's good. Oh yeah. You can see this black line goes out to where my, oh, there goes some ducks, where my sand point is. So I'm gonna be pumping some water from here back towards the cabin. Of course, I'm not gonna need any for quite a while, but I still want to try and get a better source towards the cabin. Okay, back at my bridge. Yeah, it didn't work too good. Washed out, or washed through. Hard to hold back Mother Nature. This creek's filling all up, but it's washed through the bottom of my bridge here. I was hoping this would fill right up, but no luck. Holy shit, pretty deep. Whoa, it'll go over my boots. Yeah, well, it's down like the trench is about 4 feet down from the ground level. So at one time, certain years, it must have been rushing through here as a creek. I guess that's what they call a seasonal creek. Yeah, definitely flowing. Oh well, I'll just let it go where it goes. Try and repair things up when it stops raining. Well, I'll head back inside. Take it easy, I guess. Nothing else I can do. I am transferring water from the barrel right into my totes inside the greenhouse. So, shouldn't be no problem filling them up over the next couple days. This one's, these are already all full. 200 gallons going over. There's so much rain. I guess ultimately all I really need is a good storage dugout or tank, and I'd have enough all year round to store the rainwater. This is holding quite a bit too, but oh boy, frick, even the garden's flooding. Oh well. C'est la vie.